Hello everyone, my name is Sophia Vela. This is going to be my second semester in the Mallet program with a STEM/STEAM concentration. I plan to graduate sometime in 2023, and this is my first semester as a full-time grad student as opposed to a part-time. So to jump right in and get started, we want to show some resources to use in my STEM/STEAM development. So I'm just going to move a tab over to some of the sources that I found so far this semester. So in our class right now for our first assignment in Module 1, we were to look at different areas of STEM and find technologies that could fit into any of these categories. And one thing that I thought was really interesting about this resource is that it has other students' analysis or reviews of certain technologies that they have found useful. And I think that this would be a great resource in case I want to delve further into researching certain technologies in the STEM concentration. Another resource that I found was also curated by Professor Chen and Dr. O'Connor. And specifically, I'd want to look at the STEM/STEAM e-tech research. So this has a bunch of different applications and technologies that pertain to different areas of STEM, which I think would be really useful in future projects. How I organize my resources or plan for this semester would be going into the grad school folder I have made for myself in my Google Drive. I use Google Drive for everything from harvesting my resources to writing my assignments. It's overall just a hub for my studies. So if I go into fall 2022, I have all 4 classes that I'm taking. And so I'll be putting in all of my assignments for STEM in my STEM category, as well as expanding on these folders. So for instance, instead of just having my assignments necessarily in just the STEM folder, I can take other resources or other scholarly journals or literature reviews that pertain to a certain project and put them in another folder within this folder to organize my ideas. To conclude, I'd also like to share some of my aspirations as a student and a professional. So I recently resigned from my job as a classroom teacher in Syracuse to move back down to my hometown in Long Island. And I think that this master's program will really help me because I still want to be involved in education. And I don't know if that's necessarily going to be me being in the classroom or if that's going to turn into me being a corporate trainer for an ed tech company or becoming an ed tech specialist. And so I'm just kind of trying to decide through my research in this program and my experience as a teacher to see if that's really something that I want to explore. So if you guys have any feedback or if you have similar experiences, please let me know. I'm really excited to continue this course in STEM, and I look forward to learning from all of you.